What's up, Odooers, and welcome back. In today's video, we're going to take a look at expense reports in Odoo. Expense reports are extremely important because without them, you can't get reimbursed. We place individual expense records on an expense report, then we submit that report for approval, and when the report is reviewed by our manager or whoever is responsible, they approve it, hopefully. And then we're repaid for the expenses. Now, let's go create a couple expense reports in Odoo. Okay, we're starting off here on the expense app dashboard. You can see all the individual expenses listed here on the left, and on the right we have their respective statuses. Expenses that are listed in blue text have not yet been placed on an expense report and have the status of to report. On the other hand, expenses listed in black text have been added to an expense report and are somewhere along in the approval process. They can either have the status of to submit, submitted, done, and on the rare instances, refused. So where are these expense reports? I can view them by clicking expense reports at the top. And when I do, I'm taken to a page that shows all the reports. Here are all the expense reports that I've submitted, along with all the reports for employees whose expense reports that I'm responsible for approving. Just like the individual expenses on the My Expenses dashboard, expense reports appearing in blue mean that they have not yet been submitted and have a status of to submit. Expense reports appearing in black have either been submitted and are somewhere along in the approval process, or they have the status of submitted, approved, and done. This report also shows me the payment status, which is extremely useful. I can see which expense reports have been paid from this in payment status right here, and any expenses awaiting payment have a red not paid status. Okay, now I want to create an expense report for my recent trip that I took to New York so I can attend a 2-day long upholstery class. To do that, I'm just going to click New in the upper left-hand corner. And first, in the expense report summary, I'm just going to add a short description. So I'll put New York upholstery class with the date. So by default, I'm the employee in the employee field, and my manager, Monty Money, who's also our CFO, automatically populates in the manager field. Monty is responsible for approving my expense reports. Next, I'll add the individual expenses by clicking Add a Line here in the expense section. And then I'm presented with only these expenses that are able to be added to this report, which are expenses that are not already on an existing expense report. So I'll select the expenses I want to add to the report, which are the first 3 ones here. And I'm very glad I clearly named these with the date and class info so I can easily find all the related expenses for the upholstery class. Make sure to keep that in mind when you create your expenses. But once you have all the line items you need selected, just go ahead and hit select. And then they'll appear in the expense tab down below. Perfect. So next, all I need to do is click submit to the manager at the top right here. And when I click the submit to manager button, the status for this report changes to submitted. I can see that Odoo automatically creates an activity for my manager to review if I scroll down to the chatter. The expenses smart button here at the top is updated to reflect the 3 individual expenses attached to this report. So let's see if the expenses on the report change to black like they should have. So I'll click My Expenses at the top once again, and then My Expenses. And wow, look at that. We have the upholstery class right here appearing in black, and their tag is submitted. Awesome. Okay, but I still have these other 3 blue expenses for my International Contemporary Furniture Fair, or ICFF. Want to see a really, really cool trick? If I click Create Report here at the top, Odoo automatically makes an expense report with all the expenses that have not yet been added to an expense report. Isn't that amazing? This feature can save you a lot of time. Now, all I need to do is update the expense report right here, and that field is automatically populated with the date range that's attached to these receipts. So I'll change the summary to ICFF trade show, and let's put Feb 2025. Perfect. And that's all I need to do. This expense report is ready to submit. So all I have to do is click Submit to Manager. And now the expense report changed. Now I have to wait in suspense to see if my expense reports are going to be approved. And that's it for this tutorial. We learned how to make expense reports, which are necessary in order to be reimbursed. We created expense reports both manually and automatically, and learned how to adjust the fields on the report. Now, go log those expenses, and I'll see you in the next video.